Hello everyone, we will next try to make the another activity. Here I am going to take this dough and I am just rolling them together. In between I have placed the pieces of the dates, or you can place any other bead. Now with the help of the chopsticks, just roll them and try to create this type of the look. You may require a knife or a fork for this type of the activity. If you will talk about the difficulty level, then this one is medium difficult. We are going to make these two swans, or we can say the lovebirds, that are to be held together. This looks so perfect. Let's next try to make a hedgehog. For this you may require scissors, some of the beads and the dough. You just have to take the dough that's somewhat oval in shape, then you just have to make the scaly area of this hedgehog. For this I am making use of the scissors. Once you are done with making these scaly patterns, then you just have to add the beads so that will represent the eyes of this hedgehog. This activity is very simple. Let's shift our attention towards the next project. Here I am taking the different rolls that I have created using the clay. Now you are going to just make some lines in between using the knife. Then you have to fold them as apparent on your screens, and you just have to insert in between this thing, that's the date, and then squeeze them together using the chopsticks. Create the three chapatis and make the patterns using the comb and cut them in between and just pile them up one after the another as shown on your screens. You just have to just roll them together, and then you are going to place it at the center so that it will look more beautiful and will add more beauty to your this flower pattern. Let's shift our attention towards the making of this 3D flower out of the modeling clay. This activity may look difficult at the beginning, but it's very easy once you will be able to see the whole procedure how you are going to make this one. You can just pause the video, then you just have to follow each step in a sequential manner so that you can confuse. This looks so perfect and easy. Let's move towards our next project. Here I am taking this circular dough and I am just making some of the lines using this tool. With the help of the comb, I am adding some of the pores type look over it. Now I may require a scissor so that I can add this petal type of the look. Be careful while you are making use of the scissors so that you don't hurt yourself. Then with the help of my hand, I am going to fold them and convert them into beautiful petals. You may require some of the dates that you are going to insert at the center. Let's shift our attention towards the next project. Again, I am taking the dough and I'm just rolling them, converting them into somewhat rope type shape. Then I am going to just build them into this braid type look. In between, I am adding some of the dates. Once you are done with that, you just have to take three chapati pieces and then you just have to place the dates and just fold them as shown on your screens. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Squeeze them together, roll them as shown and place them at the center. This one is so cool and nice. Just give it a try. Let's shift our attention towards the next project. Here I have taken these three rope shaped thing that I have created using the clay. Now squeeze them together according to this type of the shape. Now with the help of the knife you can just cut it down, and in between the cuts you just have to place the dates and just fold them together. These will represent the petal type look, and you can make use of your hands so that you can add the more beautiful look. Thank you.